DMS, BenQ's device management solution, helps you maximize productivity across your school by centrally managing all BenQ displays. To be able to do this, you first need to bind your BenQ boards to DMS. Start by downloading the DMS app on your Android or iOS device. Log in with your BenQ admin account and tap Add. Each BenQ board has a barcode on the side that you can scan to bind your display. This allows you to bind your BenQ board even if it's offline or powered off. After scanning the barcode, enter a name and description, and then tap Add. That's it. Your BenQ board is now bound to DMS.